May I now request our respected director, Mr. Avdesh Tiwari, sir, along with the esteemed management team, to kindly escort the chief guest of today and the special guest also onto the stage for the further proceedings of the program. Sir, please. With the management team, I would like to request Prachi ma'am, Anshika Taneja ma'am, Rihana ma'am, Kirti Sahu ma'am, Loken Sohani sir, and Khushbu Jain ma'am to escort the team, please. Ladies and gentlemen, before we move ahead in the program, we would like to pause for a moment and draw your kind attention. Every grand occasion is elevated by the presence of an inspiring personality, someone whose journey motivates, whose words enlighten, and whose achievements set an example for generation to come. आज हम उस विशेष क्षण की ओर बढ़ रहे हैं जहां हम अपने आज के मुख्य अतिथि के बारे में जानेंगे, एक ऐसा व्यक्तित्व जिन्होंने शिक्षा, विज्ञान और अनुसंधान के क्षेत्र में असाधारण योगदान दिया है. Please allow me to take this opportunity to formally introduce our chief guest for the day, Dr. Sunil Verma. Dr. Sunil Verma is a highly accomplished scientist. He completed his BSc and MSc in physics from Punjab University, Chandigarh, followed by an MTech in applied optics from IIT Delhi and a PhD in nuclear engineering and technology from IIT Kanpur. He has also served as a scientist at the Center for Biomedical Engineering, a prestigious research center jointly run by IIT Delhi and AIIMS New Delhi, where he developed optical biosensors for societal applications. Since January 1996, Dr. Verma has been serving as a scientist at the Raja Ramanna Center for Advanced Technology, Indore, a premier research institute under the Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India. Currently, he is the head of Photonic Materials Technology section at RRCAT and also a professor of physics at Homi Bhabha National Institute, Mumbai, a university under the Department of Atomic Energy. His remarkable contributions have earned him several prestigious awards, including the Best PhD Thesis Award from the Indian Laser Association and the National Award for Crystal Growth from the Indian Association for Crystal Growth. With more than 75 research papers, 9 book chapters, and over 125 conference publications, and having guided more than 35 research scholars, Dr. Verma truly stands as a beacon of knowledge and inspiration. ऐसे महान व्यक्तित्व का हमारे बीच होना हम सभी के लिए गर्व की बात है. Thank you so much. As a gesture of a warm welcome and heartfelt respect, may I request Mahima ma'am to kindly present a bouquet to our honorable chief guest. Give a huge round of applause, everyone. To express our deep gratitude and appreciation for gracing this occasion, may I now request Nikhilesh sir to present a memento to our esteemed chief guest as a token for our respect and remembrance. Along with our esteemed chief guest, it is a proud privilege to welcome our special guest, Dr. Puneet Saklecha, who is a proud alumni of IDLE Group of Institutes. His journey from being a student of this institution to becoming a well-established, dedicated medical professional truly reflects the values and foundation laid by the school. Dr. Puneet Saklecha is a distinguished BHMS graduate from SKRP Gujarati Homeopathic College. A passionate learner and healer, he has a deep interest in understanding the human body and mind, and he continuously explores new research in the field of healthcare. He has completed his class 12th in the year 2005. His future vision of establishing a naturopathy hospital showcases his commitment to holistic healing and serving to society. We are truly honored to have you with us today, Doctor. Your journey is an inspiration to our students, reminding them that with dedication and passion, dreams do come true. So at this moment, we humbly invite for the bouquet presentation as a token for warm welcome, I request Vijay Vardi sir to kindly present a bouquet to our esteemed special guest of today. To express a heartfelt gratitude for gracing this special occasion, may I now request Kiran Jadon ma'am to present a memento to our honorable special guest as a mark of respect and appreciation. Thank you so much. So we now proceed towards one of the most cherished segment of today's program, the prize distribution ceremony. I request the management team to be there, and I request the coordinators to please step down. Thank you so much. आज हम उन नन्हे सितारों को सम्मानित करने जा रहे हैं जिन्होंने अपने समर्पण और निरंतर प्रयास से विद्यालय का नाम रोशन किया है. The first award of this category goes to Academic Excellence Award. And we begin with the Academic Excellence Award, recognizing the students who have demonstrated outstanding scholastic achievement. I request the awardees to kindly come on the stage along with their proud parents. The first award under this category falls to Chitranshi Jain from nursery. I request the proud parents to please step on the stage. A little proud girl with the proud parents. Give a huge round of applause, everyone. Chahat Pal, I request Chahat Pal with the proud parents to please step on the stage. Chahat Pal's parents, please step on the stage with Chahat. Nishka Jain with the proud parents to please step on the stage. Bhavya Tang from First C, I request the proud parents to please accompany your child. Lavyansh from class 2nd B, I request the proud parents to please step on the stage. Lavyansh. These are the category of academics. Congratulations to all the achievers and their proud parents. Thank you, everyone. The Sports and Physical Development Award. This category is celebrating the energy, fitness, and sportsmanship. I request the students along with their proud parents to please join us on the stage. Avdesh Pratap Singh Parihar from nursery, I request the parents, the proud parents, to please join us on the stage. Kritvik Dange from KG1, I request the parents to please step up on the stage. Shreyansh Gaur, KG2, I request these parents to please step on the stage. Shreya from class 1st D, the proud parents are requested to join us. And Shubh Patel, the parents of Shubh Patel from class 2nd, I request the parents to join us on the stage. A big round of applause for the young sports stars of today. Thank you, everyone. The next category is Creativity and Expression Award. Creativity reflects imagination and confidence. The Creativity and Expression Award is presented to the following student. We invite the students along with their parents on the stage. Vedika Dabi from nursery, I request the proud parents to please join us on the stage. Mivan Vyas from KG1, I request the parents to please join us. Sumaira Khan from KG2, I request the parents to please step up on the stage. Stuti Porwal from 1st B, I request the parents to please accompany her. And Anna Agarwal from 2nd C, I request the parents to please step us on the stage. Well done, our little creators. Give a huge round of applause for all of them. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. The next category is Discipline and Attendance Award. Discipline is the foundation of success and regularity reflects responsibility. We now honor the students with the Discipline and Attendance Award. Students are requested to come on stage with their proud parents. Athar Chaturbedi from nursery, I request the parents to please come on the stage. Biryangana Parmar, KG1, I request the parents to please come on the stage. Nityam Nihale, KG2, I request the parents to please join us. Advika Joshi, 1st B, I request the parents to please come on the stage. Parth Dwivedi from class 2nd D, I request the parents to please come up on the stage. What a proud moment. Give a huge round of applause, everyone. And सारे parents को हार्दिक बधाइयाँ. Thank you, everyone. The next category we have is Overall Rounder Award. We now come to the most prestigious category, the Overall Rounder Award, honoring the students who have excelled in academics, discipline, and co-curricular activities. Students are requested to come forward along with their proud parents. Anshika Singh, nursery, I request the parents to please come up on the stage. Advika Chauhan, KG1, I request the parents to please step up on the stage. Kavya Sahu, I request the parents to please join us. And Aisha Yadav, class 1st, I request the parents to please join us on the stage. Nikunj Gupta, class 2nd, I request the parents to please join us. Hearty congratulations to our all-round achievers and their proud parents. Thank you, everyone. Step up on the stage. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. The next category is Kickboxing Championship organized by Kickboxing Association Indore, in which Viha Barangi of Class 2nd D participated and won a bronze medal. I request the parents, the proud parents, to please come on the stage. The last category we have this kickboxing, and I request the parents to please step up on the stage. Okay, the parents are not here with us. We can have a photograph. Thank you. Okay, they are with us. They have joined us. Congratulations. Viha and her proud parents. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. May I now request our respected dignitaries, our Honorable Director Sir, esteemed Director Soumya Ma'am, respected Managing Director Mayuri Ma'am, respected chief guests to please take their seats, and thank you for gracing the occasion. And I request our special guest to be on the stage. We want to hear for the further proceeding, and I request the others to please take their seats. Thank you so much.